turn right, we'll go down 198. Wish me luck. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where does that go? Huh. Oh well. I'm headed down. I want less snow. Woo-hoo. Where does that go? It doesn't go through that mud, I hope. Let's go around that mud. Oh, this looks like a new trail. It's a mud bypass trail. Okay. Well, let's not go through there. Let's go back and take a look at that. I bet that's deep. Nope, not gonna walk through that mud. Okay, if I was in a 4x4, that's a piece of cake. Wow, look how far out they dug those banks. Huh. I guess the trail used to go up that way, and they changed it to this way. Why? Hey, any of you YouTubers out there, can you put together a video showing the people that make the trails, how they do it, and how they make the decisions that they do? That'd be kind of cool. I'd watch that. Back to work. The side that doesn't have all the logs. Of course, with that said, you run the risk of sliding down into them. Oh, okay, I'll go in. I'll just stay in the hole. Look at that. That's a lot of rocks. Come on, tires, you're doing good. Nope, nope, nope. I'll stay in the hole. Ooh, somebody broke something. Looked like a mirror. Sorry about that. Front wheel decided to hit a mud and spin out on me. Or turn out. Twist out. Whatever. Alright, I gotta make a decision. I have no idea. Let's break out the old computer. I never came up this before. Oh my. Okay. The other way must have been a bypass for this nightmare. Okay. Holy smokes, that's steep. Ho, 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 ho. Come on, Bill. Don't get any speed up. Yep, yep. Ho, ho, ho. No, no. Ho, ho, ho. Fear, fear. Tires spinning. Okay, okay, okay. Looking good, looking good. No. Sorry, tires. Whoa. No, 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 no. Oh, should have been on that side. Here we go. Whee! Oh, oh man. All right, that was a bad decision. Well, it makes up for the good decision not to cross the rock field. So they cancel each other out. I have no idea what trail I'm on. Do not slip. What's all that squeaking back there? I would not try to go up that. Not on a bike. I probably wouldn't do it on a razor. I wouldn't do it with a quad. And I'd be very unhappy if I had to walk up it. Yes. Ugh. Ooh. Wow. Guess the 198 route that had all the loose gravel would be a much better option to this. Look at all that digging. Ooh, smoothness. Thank you. Alright, let's think about this. Oh, let's head over there and go down that way instead of... That doesn't look that bad. I'll do that. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, ah. Alright, trail 147. Whoop, 146. I know where we're at. We're going to pop out on the main road down here. Ron and I came up this, we rode right up this trail twice. Once when we got lost, went down the wrong way. Look at that. We did it. Civilization. All right. Let us get the map out.